On a given day, around 30,000 PET bottles and tin cans of cold drinks are sold in a small city's college canteen. That's a total of 1.7 million recyclable containers across India's college canteens. But only 8% of all that is recycled. My name is Suraj Suryavanshi and this is Project Karma, an affordable and low maintenance recycling machine which can be installed around colleges. Instead of throwing away the PET bottles, tin cans and tetrapaks in the garbage which may not get recycled, students can use Karma machine. It unlocks itself after scanning a code on the machine using Karma app. Then, we can deposit our recyclable containers in the machine and it will determine if the container is recyclable or not. We will sell the containers for their recycling value to the manufacturing companies. The student will be loaded instantly with Karma points on the Karma app. These Karma points can be redeemed at stationery shops and canteens around the campus that accept Karma points. The Karma machine is a step towards a greener future.